This is a discussion of a traffic stop where the officer is trying to extend the stop in order to bring in a drug dog to sniff the vehicle you're driving.
Okay.
All right. Something that's happening more and more is officers are stopping people for small traffic infractions, and they are extending the stop in order for a drug dog to be brought in from police headquarters. And the way you prevent this is you don't engage in conversation with the officer. You basically invoke your right to remain silent. If you've been speeding, you ask the officer, please write me the speeding ticket and let me go. The officer has a limited amount of time to write this ticket, to make sure there are no warrants, to go back to his car or her car and check the computer and make sure there are no warrants, to write you the ticket and let you go. Now lately the courts have said, well, they can extend it 3 or 4 minutes, that's okay. However, they can extend it forever if you as the driver start answering questions that the officer's asking. What are you doing? Where are you going? Who's your favorite team? And so if you're a driver and you've been stopped for a traffic ticket, it is my advice, don't answer any questions. Let the officer know, officer, I'm not going to answer any questions. Please write me the ticket and let me go. Once you've been given the ticket, if you're sitting in the officer's vehicle or even in your own vehicle, make sure you ask the officer, I have my ticket, may I go now, officer? May I go now, officer? May I go now? To protect your rights. Otherwise, you can be there an hour, a dog can arrive, all the dog has to do is wag his or her tail. Next thing you know, you're being searched, you're being detained. You can protect your rights. The way you do that is you don't answer any questions and you ask that you be allowed to go.